Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the DND character filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, you have to go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. This is a trending filter, so you can find it in trending section. Suppose you are not finding it here, then you can go to the search bar, and here you can search for D and D. Yep. Okay, this is the filter. Tap on it. Tap on the screen to begin. Okay, this is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect from the effect gallery, then you can go to discover, and here you can search for DND filter. Okay, here you will see videos with this effect. Just tap on any of this video. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen, you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here, you can add it to your favorites. And at the bottom of the screen, you will see try this effect. Just tap there to try the effect. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from Discover, then what you can do, let me go back first. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now here tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.